Hey guys, simulate and trade here. The real one that is. So this 23 chromosome fool thought he could replace me. Glad to see most of you actually put him in his place and told him to stand down. I am the heart and soul of this channel. I am the main character here and will remain so. Ha 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 ha. Listen. The reason why I did a recorded session was due to a massive amount of my followers asking for a voice reveal. Many liked it, and said they prefer the real voice, but the vast majority and overwhelming side of you prefer this format. I want to quickly announce that this will be the main sound going forward. I ran into a huge amount of problems recording, having to split all recordings into 14 different parts, which is why the flow of my last video wasn't what you would call smooth. I got lost here and there, and it's the reason I may not have been as normal and smooth as I normally talk. I think it's the software system with the mic I am using. However, that was like a one-time thing. I will use the robot voice format going forward like I said, and I will use my own voice every once a while. Don't you worry, I just wanted to do a voice reveal since I get so many daily requests. This was just a one-time thing, so thank you for the feedback. Let's get this weekend going strong by liking this video. I also want to thank the 8 people in my Patreon. Guys, do know that YouTube has some policies in regards to robot voices, which is why I don't really make any real revenue from the channel. Do not skip past this thinking others will support, cause honestly it's only a very small handful of people helping me out. Please do consider pledging support on my Patreon. So far I have 8 amazing people willing to help my channel. I want to make this a long-term thing, so if you enjoy the quality and content of the channel, any help you can contribute will go a long way. This money will be used to finance airplane banners marketing people to join our group, and will also help to pay artists to make more animations and cool stuff for you. I would love to build a strong support so that I can do this long-term, even after we moon with GME and AMC. Link for Patreon is in the description. Thank you all for your support. Robot voices was and will always be the main protagonist of this channel, not this California sounding dude. Thank you, and I will see you next week.